Wanting to get the ball rolling with your Canterbury Christchurch application, but you're not sure where to start? Are you confused about the lengthy process of applying?
Well, don't worry, we're here to help.
Applying for uni can be quite overwhelming, but with our simple step-by-step guide, it isn't as confusing as it seems. Let's take a look at each step of the application process. First, choose your course. The first step is choosing the right course for you. Here at Canterbury Christchurch University, we have over 200 courses to choose from. These range from medicine, health and social care, arts, humanities and education, science, engineering and social sciences, and much more. You can study full or part-time with foundation and industry year options on offer. We're confident that you'll find that perfect course with us. If you're still thinking about what to study, get inspired by our course list online. If you've already chosen your course at Christchurch and have checked the entry requirements, great! Let's move on to the next step. Second, register with the UCAS Hub. Once you've shortlisted your course and university options, you'll have to register with UCAS. Go to our website to find out more detailed information about how to register and key dates to keep an eye on. Now it's time for the most important part, writing your personal statement. Take a look at our personal statement video and help guide on our website. Third, submit your application. Once you've filled in your UCAS application, it's time to send it. UCAS will process your application and send it to your chosen universities. Number 4, track your application. Now wait till you hear back. Here at Christchurch, we always try to respond as soon as possible. You could hear back from us within a few days or weeks. Either way, we'll do our best not to keep you waiting too long. Finally, add your choices. If you've applied for all 5 choices and received your offers, you can either accept or add another choice through UCAS Extra. If you still haven't received your preferred choice through UCAS Extra, then don't worry. You can enter clearing, which opens in early July. Now you know each step of the apply process, it's time to get applying. If you like further guidance, or if you'd like to speak to one of our team, then feel free to visit our website for contact details. Good luck! At Canterbury Christchurch University, we look forward to receiving your application.